Hello everyone, me and Ivan from Prague Maker Faire team would love to invite you to watch the Prague Maker Faire online.
Our Prague Maker Faire was planned for June. We have COVID, so we learned that it's not gonna happen, so we decided to do it online.
And what I love that we decided to step it up a little bit, and it will not only be just a collection of interviews, but we decided to have a live studio, so it will be more of like a live TV show. Can you tell us more about this?
Yeah, so it will be 2 days, Friday 29th, which is next week, and Saturday 30th of May. So you can of course join because it will be in English as well.
Yeah.
And it will be, the main stream will be live from TV studio, which is at the same time a workshop for makers. So the makers are invited there in small groups, and they can present as they would do in a normal Maker Faire. So, and from there, from the studio, there will be some shots or live videos from different locations. Some of them are very interesting.
Yeah, I would really want to point out that we saw this as an opportunity to show the Czech makers all around the world. And because it is online, we could do the simultaneous translation, which I think will be awesome. But it is the first time trying, and it will be especially hard for the translator, because basically every maker is doing something completely different, which is amazing.
Well, my question maybe for you, do you believe in online Maker Faire?
This will be the first rounds of Maker Faire. So I think we as a community of makers, we will share our experience, and we decided to try this way with the live TV studio. If it will work, I hope others will pick it up too, because as the whole world is getting more used to doing online meetings and watching things online, I think it has a great potential. Another
special feature of our Maker Faire is that we have like live workshops, but the workshops, you can sign up for them, and you get the items by mail in advance. And we got 25 workshops like that, and some of the people will join as a group of the workshop, and an unlimited number of people can watch it online. How this small group is working together.
I love this idea. So basically you get everything you need for the workshop, and when the part of the stream comes online, you can do it with the group you see online. But this is for now available just in Czech.
Yeah, this is just for Czech.
Oh, for Czech people. But it is definitely an interesting concept for other Maker Fairs to try out. This is really unique concept.
And next things, so there's a community in Czech Republic called Junktown. And they use like a former military base to create an amazing post-apocalyptic world. And we will have live stream from there. So from the TV studio, we will move to the Junktown area, where they make different kind of vehicles and I don't know, weapons and whatever. So.
I think we can show some teasers for that right now, right?
So this is how it looks, and then maybe next big thing will be stratospheric balloon launch. So we will bring to a small exploration vehicle, or
I like that name,
or probe. Right from there, we will launch the stratospheric balloon from the yard of the TV studio. So, and then some people can just go follow the balloon, because it will be tracked online, and they can find it, and they can find a video in it. And the next day, I hope if we find the balloon, we can play the video. So,
that is wonderful. That is wonderful.
So the attractions like this and many more.
Don't forget that you can find the latest information how to watch on makerfaireprague.online, and it will be streamed on Prague Maker Faire social media and also on Prusa 3D Facebook page, and later optimized for overseas viewers on our YouTube channel.
So stay tuned. Next week, Friday.
Yeah. I think it will be totally worth it because Czechia has a great history of making. During the communism, we had to make out of necessity, but now we are making for fun, and we have awesome projects here.